Hello everyone, just wanted to show you this hack between my phone and Mural. So as you can see here, there's my native note-taking app with various notes. Let's just make a new note. Hello everyone. I will save it, and if you can see at the bottom left, I have share option. And here I can just say share as a text, not an image, plus. And the apps, I can just choose this one, Trello, which means this text will be added as a new card in Trello. Here I can choose the workspace. So for this example, so it's Mural Zapier, as you could guess. And you need to choose a board as well, which is YouTube new test in this case. And there's the content of my note. Hello everyone. I will just press create. Now it automatically goes into my mural in a specific area. Sometimes it takes some minutes because of Zapier free plan, but I don't even need to do something within Trello, just from my note-taking app. I can also open Trello to show you. So I go to the same place in Mural Zapier thing. You would see there's the board YouTube new test. And if I scroll, the last card is hello everyone that I just sent from my note-taking app. And the rest will be on the computer. And so now we are in Zapier that we just explained just after. Let me first make the manual run for the Zap. Trigger menu item, close, then I can jump into my mural. So it has a specific name, Trello Mural CC, and you can see the latest stickies is hello everyone, hello everyone. What the name is special area Zapier Mural, and you see the stickies are stacking like this. I see. So this is the result, and I have a lot of stuff after that. I can just change the size of the stickies and use them to push further the ideation, for example. This is about the YouTube content things that I'm trying to build. And so now I will just jump into Zapier to show you how it works. I think here, so this is my Zapier account. It's a free plan, so you can do it as well. I'm also using a free plan on Trello, so normally you don't need any money for this, unless you don't have a Mural account yet. Anyway, let's assume that you have a Mural account. You can create a free plan Trello and Zapier, and then you can just create a Zap. So I will just create it from the beginning so that you see how it works. You press create Zap, and then it will ask you a few things to make it work, of course. So search app, here I have Trello already, but you can use any other app. Then you have to choose the trigger, what's going to make something happen. So in my case, I use new card. Each time there's a new card created somewhere, it will do something. So just I choose new card, continue. Then he wants to know, of course, which account he should use. So he already has my account here. Otherwise, he would just ask you in the pop-up like to connect to your account. Just say this account, continue. And that's where you have to label the things in a way you can remember easily. So board, I think I call it Mural Zapier thing. You see with even cap to find easily. Then the list, YouTube new test, because in Mural Zapier I think there's just one list so far. And here I'm not even sure what it is, but I just put, I think, all, and that's it. Continue. Then he will test. He will send a sticky basically to Zapier just to see if it works. So you say, okay, I found the card, blah, 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 it's working. So if when it's testing, you have no card yet, no cards are in your Trello, it might not work. So you just create a test card in your Trello to double check to be sure it works. Continue. And we will say to which app do you want to connect. So in that case, Mural. What action do you want to happen? It's create sticky. Continue. Then he will ask me to connect to my Mural account, which is already registered that I did it. Otherwise, you just have a pop-up to connect to your Mural account. Then also here you have to label the things properly. So which workspace? In that case, it's my own workspace. I have a lot of workspace, but my own one. I mean, where there is the board, I want the sticky to arrive. Which room? In that case, it was a room I called, I think, YouTube content creation. And the mural is, sorry, Trello mural CC, the one we saw in the example. Here, even you don't need, but you can add a specific area. So I created a specific area called special area Zapier Mural, as you could see in the video. But if you have no area, it's fine. It will just pop up in the top left of the mural. Text here, it is very important to ask you what you want to transfer from one to another. So in this example, I want the name of the Trello card and the description. Basically, the description, the place you would have content, and the name is just, it will be in my case the name that I had for the initial note in my phone app. Otherwise, it will be just the name you choose for this Trello card. It can be interesting if you have a big content, it will be in the description, and you want specific name to find easily what is what, you know, you can just use both. So you have to specify you want both. But I can delete and just have the name, but if I click again, I can have the description. Color you don't need to touch. I guess you can choose the color of the sticky, but I don't choose. Link, if you want to somehow have a link, then you just press continue. Then he will say, we'll make a test, so he will send something from Zapier into the Mural, see if it works, the test, so you press test and review, for example, test and continue, and then I will just keep the test for this example. And then it's kind of done. You can just turn on your Zap here, or then you close and you can turn it on. I will not turn it on because I already have a Zap similar, I don't want to mess, but yeah, it is how to create. Thanks for watching, I hope it's useful for you, and consider subscribe and follow me. Thanks, bye.